I post content across 4 platforms: LinkedIn, Skool, YouTube, and X. And every time I post, I was manually writing captions, descriptions, and tags for each platform separately. That's 4 different formats, 4 different tones, 4 different sets of hashtags, every single time, so I automated it. Now what I do is I open a simple form, paste in my content script, and submit. That's it. The workflow splits into 4 parallel AI agents simultaneously. Each one knows the exact tone and format for its platform. LinkedIn gets a story-driven post with hashtags. Skool gets a short, punchy caption with a body written for builders. YouTube gets a full SEO-optimized title, description, and tags. X gets a tight post under 280 characters. Each output goes to a Slack approval gate. I review it, approve, or request changes, and the final versions are saved automatically to Google Sheets. The whole process used to take me 30 to 40 minutes manually. Now it takes 30 seconds to submit the form and maybe 2 minutes to review and approve. This is workflow number 19. Built entirely in n8n using parallel execution, AI agents with structured output parsers, send and wait human approval gates, and Google Sheets logging. If you're creating content across multiple platforms and doing this manually, you don't have to.